time for your East Texas Storm Team forecast.
Well, John, it is very bright and beautiful out there today, but there's talk of a cold front coming through. So any chance of rain or storms?
Well, we do have a little chance of some showers coming up, mainly this evening. That activity, if it does develop, should be over by shortly after midnight. So we'll get a little shower activity, it appears, in the area. We're also going to see a pretty significant cool down in those temperatures. It'll be brief, though, as we expect to see warmer temperatures showing up by the end of the weekend. Right now, as we look over Tyler, we do have a beautiful blue sky. 73 degrees currently with southwest winds at 11 miles per hour. Relative humidity at 66%. And the low temperature this morning was 65, so we are coming up from that. There is critical fire danger again for parts of the Texas Panhandle and adjacent areas of Oklahoma. 65-mile-per-hour wind gusts will be going on out in West Texas as that cold front passes through that area. And the front will be edging its way toward East Texas. We'll have some gusty winds when it comes through our area. And as far as temperatures are concerned, over the last 6 hours, we've seen that front pushing on across the Red River, and you can see there is a significant change in temperatures. Ahead of the front, we're in the 70s. We're dropping off into the 40s, a couple of hundred miles behind the front, so those colder temperatures will be settling in and dropping ours down for at least, as I said, a brief time on Saturday. Futurecast has the front passing down across I-20 about the middle of the afternoon, and about 4 o'clock it'll be moving into deep East Texas. Of course, winds shifting out of the north behind the front, and then after that we'll start to pick up a little moisture, and along about sunset should see some showers in the area. Temperatures will be cooling down, and that could help some of those showers to develop, and they'll develop from north to south across the area. Only a 10% chance that we'll see some rainfall early and a 20% chance later on this evening, but perhaps even a little moisture getting to your place. Hopefully it'll help out things a little bit. 20% is the chance of rain on Friday, but we have another chance next week, as we'll have another 20% chance on Wednesday, then a 40% chance of some rain coming in Thursday of next week. Here's our temperatures right now across East Texas. We're in the lower 70s in the northern parts of the area. Down across I-20, beginning to warm into the mid-70s. Lindale 72, Longview 74, Tyler 73, Jacksonville also 73. We've got 74 in Nacogdoches and 73 degrees in Lufkin down in deep East Texas, and still getting a southwest wind blowing ahead of that front. These are the highs this afternoon. They'll be warmer in deep East Texas as the cold air arrives in the northern portions of the area, of course, first, with a lot of those highs in the 70s. We'll have 20% chance of some showers later today. Wind gusts up to 30 miles per hour. A sunny weekend, but quite a change in temperatures from Saturday to Sunday as we'll warm back into the 80s and see 80s into next week until we get more chances of rain coming in toward the end of the week. And in deep East Texas, 87 today, 70 for Saturday, and 81 on Sunday. Check the forecast anytime at KETK.
Welcome to the best smile transformation in East Texas.